sweetness and sorrow, chasing a dream till it starts. All the subtle things you can't erase, memories. They lead my life going on.